Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to explain torque, horsepower, and difference between torque and horsepower. First, we will look at torque. Torque is the twisting force that causes an object to rotate about an axis. Torque is denoted by tau. Tau is equals to force times r sine theta, where F is force applied, R is distance between the center of rotation and point of force application. Theta is angle between the force and R. Unit of torque is Newton meter. Work done and torque have the same units but both are different quantities. Suppose I am tightening a bolt by using a spanner of length L. I am applying torque at the end of the spanner about the center of the bolt. Point of rotation is called pivot point. Distance between the pivot point and point of force application is called moment of arm. In order to measure force, I am hanging weights. It rotated for 1 kg of hanged mass. So, substituting the values in the formula, tau equals to F r sine theta, we get torque as 0.735 Newton meter. If I am using a spanner of double length, let us see what happens to the force I require. Again, I am hanging weights. This time it rotated for 500 grams of hanged mass. So, applying 500 grams of mass at a distance of 30 cm produces same torque as applying 1 kg of mass at a distance of 15 cm. If force of application is away from the pivot point, less force is required to rotate an object. Horsepower. Horsepower is a unit of measurement of power. P is equals to work done over time. Consider two motors lifting 50 kg of weight through a distance of 10 meters. Motor 1 takes 30 seconds and motor 2 takes 45 seconds. So, motor 1 has more horsepower than motor 2. Differences. Torque is pulling capacity of an engine or motor. More torque, more weight it can pull. Whereas horsepower tells us how quick an engine can do work. More horsepower, more work in less time. Torque is useful to carry more load. That is why trucks have more torque. Horsepower lets you pass the vehicle ahead while you are driving in a highway. Truck cannot beat a car, and car cannot carry load like truck.